In this video, I would like to introduce to you guys a new feature in the Client Dispute Manager, and the name of that feature is called the To-Do List and Task. Now, how is this feature going to help you? Well, no more using third-party to-do lists or tasks, because we have this feature built right into the Client Dispute Manager, and now you can keep track of your most important tasks and to-dos right here in the software without using any third-party programs. Let me show you exactly how it works. So the first thing we want to do is, as you can see right here in the left-hand corner, is the task list. We're going to click that there, and it's very easy, very user-friendly to use. You just simply add your task. Let's just say, for example, go to Dispute Summit. Hit enter. Check on my staff. Very simple. You see how easy it is? Send out disputes today. Check on leads. Pick up. Let me see. Stop by the store. Interview new clients. Let's just see, check on generate new leads. And I'm hitting enter. As you can see, I didn't even hit the add. You can use add as well. Purchase my ticket to the Online Dispute Expert Summit. And now I'm gonna hit add. So you can use the add button or you can hit enter. Now these are all my tasks. Now say, for example, I completed this one. It's just like that. Complete each one. Has the date. You can actually delete them as well. And if you complete them here, as you can see, they're all complete. And you can revert back if you decide you didn't do this task and you want to revert back. And you go back to pending and all your task lists are there. Very simple, very straight to the point. And this is our new feature in the Client Dispute Manager software. See you next time.